Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of gold USD, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame, my personal favorite time frame. And if we just look at the chart, we can easily see that market is in uptrend. There is no doubt about it. Okay, and as we all know, trading in a trending market is easier in comparison to trading in a sideways market or a range bound market. And here, market is in uptrend clearly. Okay, if we switch to the weekly time frame, okay, weekly time frame, we can see that market formed a green candle this week. Previous week, market took support at 1800 level, and market formed a hammer kind of a pattern. Okay, from the weekly chart also we are getting the clear picture that yes, market is in uptrend and there is no prominent resistance on the chart here. Now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and see. Okay, as I've already mentioned, okay, market is in uptrend. Okay, we can see that market is trading support at the 50 moving average. Okay, on numerous instances, market has taken support at the 50 moving average, and 50 moving average has also provided the required support. Therefore, we can consider 50 moving average is a valid support. And as I always say, we should always look for the area of value, whether the market is in uptrend or the market is in downtrend. If you are looking for the best trading opportunity, and if you are a disciplined trader, and if you want the risk to reward ratio to match, then you should always look for this AOV, area of value. In an uptrend market, the area of value is always near the support. In a downtrend market, the area of value is always near the resistance to short the market. In this case, the area of value is the 50 moving average. And right now we can see that market is kind of going up, not taking support, or without taking support, market is trading at 1878 level. Okay, and if we look at the stochastic RSI, we can see this market is also in the oversold zone, but still market has not taken support at the 50 moving average. So if you are getting restless and you're thinking that you may miss the move and you're planning to enter here, okay, I would like to ask you one question here. Okay, if you go for a buy entry here, then your stop loss will be below this 50 moving average, because 50 MA is a valid support to the market. So your stop loss will be at around 1840 level. So don't you think your current market position and the stop loss, okay, there is a big gap. Okay, so if you ask me what should be the best strategy or what will be the best strategy, then I'll say that wait for the market to come down to the support level. Because see, you may be thinking that market is an uptrend, you may be missing the big move, but I would like to show one thing here. Okay, wait. Okay. Just look at this particular portion, okay, or just look at this particular candles. Okay, what do you think? Okay, do you still think that market is an uptrend, or there you can see that overall, okay, market is not making much move here. Okay, the volatility is missing, and we can see that there is a struggle between the bulls and the bears. Undoubtedly overall market is an uptrend, but still bulls and bears, okay, there is a struggle between so there is a struggle going on between them. And we can see that bulls are, whenever bulls are trying to take the price upward, bears are pushing the price towards the downside. So we can see that overall there is a struggle going on between the bulls and the bears. Okay, so if you ask me, okay, or if you think that what is the best position or what will be the best position, then I'll still tell you that you should wait for the market. Okay, you should wait for the market to come down to the support zone. Because see, if you go ahead and buy here right now, if you go ahead and buy here right now, then there is a possibility, or there's a good amount of possibility then market may come down. Okay, market may come down. Okay, therefore the best trading and the safest trading opportunity will be wait for the market to come down to the support level. Okay, and we can also draw a line here. Okay, so if I connect these two dots here, okay, these two lows, then we are also getting a trend line here, and trend line is almost running parallel or almost running equal to the 50 moving average. Therefore this particular portion, okay, or this particular portion is a good amount of support to the market. So if you're looking for the safest entry, then your safest entry will be when market will be coming to you. Because if you go ahead and buy here right now, you'll be chasing the market, and as I always say, you should not chase the market, let the price come to you. So this is your best trading opportunity or the best buying opportunity here. On the other hand, okay, if somehow market gets volatile and crosses this level, okay, this previous high, then you can go for a buy order. Okay, otherwise still for me at least this is the best buying position. Okay, and personally I'll be waiting for the market to come down to the support. When it will be bouncing back from the support level, then only I'll go for the buy order. For me, this is the safest zone. So this is my analysis. Your analysis may vary. So if your analysis varies and if you have a different point of view, then please feel free to share in the comment section. Okay, but this is my analysis and my strategy for gold USD. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.